There lived two friends in a village. They were Sham and Tanu. They were very close friends. One day, Sham and Tanu decided to go to the nearby city for their business.
Tanu, at what time shall we start tomorrow? We will start early in the morning, before the crack of dawn. All right, but we have to cross the forest and go to the city. So what? Nothing to fear. We can go.
The next day, Tanu and Sham left in the early hours of the day. The forest was thick and dark.
Tanu, it is still dark. I feel scared. You will not come across wild animals here. Don't worry. They are on the other side of the forest. What shall we do if we see wild animals? What else? We will run as fast as our feet can carry us. Are you joking? Wild animals can run much faster than us. Sham, why do you bother yourself? I am there with you. I know how to climb trees. We both can climb a tree in case of any danger. Then it's fine.
Suddenly,
Tanu, look. I see movement behind the bushes. Sham, I don't see anything. Your imagination seems to be running riot.
Sham watched carefully.
Tanu, it's moving. It must be a shadow. Oh no, it's a bear as dark as the night itself. My God, what will we do now?
After seeing the bear, both trembled in fear. The bear did not notice them, but was approaching in their direction.
Oh Tanu, what will we do now? Shall we run?
When Sham turned back, he was shocked. Tanu was missing.
Tanu! Tanu! Oh, shh! Don't make noise. I'm coming.
Sham saw Tanu on top of a tree.
You run away.
Sham realized the true colors of Tanu. He had an idea. He held his breath and lay on the ground, pretending to be dead. The bear came near him and sniffed at him. He thought that Sham was dead. The bear paddled off as he did not touch dead bodies. After the bear left, Sham got up. Tanu came down from the tree.
Sham, you're very clever. You acted well. Come tell me, what did the bear whisper in your ear?
Sham was very angry with his friend as he had run away from him at the approach of danger. He made up his mind not to consort with Tanu anymore.
The bear asked me not to be friends with those who do not stand by you in times of crisis.
Tanu bowed his head down in shame. Sham walked back to the village. Moral: never travel with a friend who deserts you at the approach of danger.